In this video, I will show you how to get a Spotify Premium free trial. First, open your browser and search for Spotify Premium. From the search results, look for the official Spotify offer that mentions a free trial, such as "Try 3 months free," and open it. Once you're on the Spotify website, tap the button to start the free trial. Follow the on-screen instructions, sign into your account if needed, and complete the registration process. If you're eligible, you'll receive Spotify Premium for the promotional period. Another way to access the offer is through the Spotify app or on web. Open it and sign in to your account. Next, tap the Premium option from the bottom menu. If a free trial offer is available for your account, you'll see an option to start it. Tap the offer and follow the on-screen instructions to activate your premium trial. That's how you can get a Spotify Premium free trial using the Spotify website or app.